Once it is herbs, it is no longer a vaccine. Vaccine is made in a lab, not in a bush. Watch this.
There is nothing like organic vaccine. Vaccine is vaccine. It is not leaf, bark, root, or any herbal mixture.
A vaccine is a biological product produced in a laboratory. It contains a weakened or killed form of a specific disease organism. Its purpose is to train the bird's immune system to recognize that disease and fight it when the real infection comes.
That is why vaccines are disease-specific. Newcastle vaccine protects only against Newcastle. Gamboro vaccine protects only against Gamboro.
No herb can replace this process. Herbs and organic preparations are not vaccines. They work in a different way.
Herbs may help appetite, reduce stress, or support general immunity, but they cannot prevent viral diseases. No herb can teach a bird's immune system how to recognize Newcastle, Gumboro, fowlpox, or Marek's disease. Only vaccines can do that. When some farmers say they use organic vaccine and their birds survive, what usually happened is not that the herbs replaced vaccines. It is often because there was low disease pressure, good management, strong biosecurity, or simple luck. That does not make herbs a substitute for vaccination. Let us be very clear. Viral diseases have no cure. Once they enter your poultry house, herbs cannot stop them. Antibiotics cannot stop them.
Prevention through proper vaccination before exposure is the only reliable protection.
That is why serious farms, hatcheries, and poultry professionals all over the world still vaccinate.
Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss any update.
If herbs could replace vaccines, vaccines would have gone extinct long ago. The right approach is balance. Vaccines are used to prevent specific deadly diseases. Herbs are used to support health and performance. Skipping vaccination and relying only on herbs is gambling with your birds. Sometimes you may be lucky. One outbreak can wipe out everything you have built. Vaccines are not optional in poultry production. They have no substitute. For better understanding of vaccines for broilers, including when and how to vaccinate correctly during brooding, get my ebook, How to Brood Chicks Effectively. For better understanding of vaccines for layers, including proper vaccination programs from day old till laying stage, get my ebook,
The Ultimate Guide to Rearing Laying Hen. To get the ebooks or ask questions,
chat me on WhatsApp 0706 9074379.